weather stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for Somervell County, Northern Bosque County, and Hood County until 9 p.m. Thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Lipan to Hyco, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Some storms may have 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings new for Somervell County, Northern Bosque, and Hood County until 9 p.m. Severe thunderstorms along a line from Lipan down to Hyco, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Potential 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts in this line of storms. Additionally, a flash flood warning has been issued for Parker County, which is already under a severe thunderstorm warning, and the eastern corner of Parker County is under a tornado warning for the next half hour or so. Once again, now a flash flood warning for all of Parker County until 11 o'clock. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.